Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to start a group message on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect for bookmarking important messages so you can easily find them later. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you're not already logged in, make sure to scan the QR code from your phone to access your account. Next, navigate to the group chat, where the message you want to start is located. Simply click on the group name in your chat list to enter the conversation. Now scroll through the chat and find the specific message you'd like to bookmark. Once you've located it, move your cursor over the message and right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Star. Once you do this, a small star icon will appear next to the message, confirming that it has been successfully bookmarked. And that's it. You've now started a message in a WhatsApp group on your PC. To view all your starred messages later, simply click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of WhatsApp, select Starred Messages, and you'll see a list of all your saved messages in one convenient place. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of important information shared in group chats without having to scroll endlessly through conversations. Whether it's a meeting link, an address, or an important reminder, starring messages ensures they're always just a click away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from it. For more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.